Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use and make daily money from the synthetic index market. Okay, so without wasting much time now, I'm just going to go ahead and explain how the strategy works. So you are ought to stick to this video till the end. Make sure not to skip any part because there are vital information you don't want to mix. Okay, so before we go into that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you go hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. So with that out of the way, let's go to how the strategy work. Let me just explain it for you. Now, the first thing you need to do when using this strategy, as you all know, that is going to be your analysis. Okay, make sure you always do your analysis before you start trading every time. Okay, now for the analysis for this strategy, you need to go to the higher time frame, which I will be recommending the H1 time frame. Okay, the 1 hour time frame, which is this one. Now what are you going to be doing on this time frame? The thing you are going to be doing on the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, is to first of all you are going to mark out the most recent support and resistance zone. Okay, the recent one. I don't mean you should go back and start marking everything. Okay, just immediately you go in the most recent support and resistance zone. That is where you are going to be marking out. Okay, now you see this red dot on the screen. Okay, they are showing you the strong support and resistance zone in the 1 hour time frame right now. Okay, so what you do is to quickly mark them out. Okay, just go to the tool and mark them out with the support and resistance tool. Okay, now after marking it out, then you go to your 1 minute time frame. Okay, for your entries. Now since I've already marked them out like this, I will go to the 1 minute time frame. Now on the 1 minute time frame, these zones, okay, this line, the support and resistance line here, will show you on the main chart. Okay, it's going to be showing you on the main chart the support and resistance zone. Okay, it will help you with a better understanding. Okay, so that you not get confused in the market. It will give you an understanding of what the market is doing. Okay, so that you will understand what you are doing and how to take your entry with confidence. Okay, now as you all can see right now on the indicator window, you can see that this blue Bollinger Band line has gotten to the overbought level here. Okay, it has gotten to the overbought level, and the second window here also, you can see that the awesome oscillator line is touching the overbought level here also below. Okay, on the indicator window too. Okay, you can see now. For the first condition, before you take an entry, you need to make sure that these two lines are corresponding. Like if on the indicator window 1, the Bollinger Band is touching the red line, you check also if the awesome oscillator on the indicator window 2 is also touching the overbought level. Okay, they need to correspond before you take an entry. Okay, if this one is here touching and this one is not yet touching, don't take any entry. Okay, don't take any entry. Make sure they are corresponding. Okay, and now as you can see on the main chart, you can see that price is at the support and resistance line I draw. You can see that price is also there. So now you can see that if I take an entry now, it will go well for me. Okay, and now when you take an entry, you need to make sure you take only 5 candles. Okay, only 5 candles. You don't need to be greedy, guys. You don't need to be greedy. Just take 5 candles and you are out. Okay, because even as it's going down now, it can still spike up. Okay, at any time. So but be assured that no matter how, that 5 candle must come, because it's at the support and resistance level, and this support, let's say this resistance level now is going to bounce it back. Okay, it's going to bounce it back, so that 5 candle is sure to come before any spike will come. Okay, so that is just what you need to know. That is how the strategy works. That's how the strategy. So I'm just going to like show you some examples now how it's working, so you see for yourself. Okay, let me just scroll back and show you, back test it for you, so that you see how well this strategy is working. Okay, but I will advise, before you trade with this strategy, okay, I will advise you guys that before you trade with this strategy, you need to back test it first and demo trade it. Okay, trade with it with your demo account first before you can use your real money. Okay, you need to have confidence with the strategy. You need to know how it works before you trade with your real money. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Okay, before you say I'm the one that said you should go and trade. Okay, now I've shown you how it works. It's you now that need to go and do the work for yourself and see how it works for you. Okay, now you can see here also that these two are corresponding. They are both on the overbought level. You can see on the main chart that the price has gotten to this region and is now rejecting back. Okay, the resistance zone is rejecting it back. You can see there was still spike and this resistance is still holding. You can see for yourself. So what the line does is to help you see the support and resistance zone on the main chart. Okay, you are going to be seeing it physically. Okay, because on the indicator window, this one is not showing it, so the zone is the one showing you the support and resistance zone. But with the help of the blue line, you are going to have the physical confirmation of it, and you are going to be confident when entering or taking any trade. Okay, so that's just it. You can see right here how it worked perfectly. Let me show you another example again. Now this is where the blue line didn't show, but you can see on the indicator windows that is at the overbought level, so you can also take trades. Okay, you can also, because on the indicator window is showing you those support and resistance zone that is not physically shown on the chart. Okay, this place is going to be showing you. Okay, it's going to be showing you, the indicator window is going to be showing you that, and you can also take trade based on the indicator window too. But those ones that are confirmed with the line I draw on the main chart, those are the perfect one. You can take trade with those one with confidence. But this one is also powerful. Okay, so anytime you see this indicator windows on, you take trade. Anytime you see confirmation like that on the main chart, you also take trade. So you make sure you keep doing this every time. Okay, you can see another example here. It's at the support, the overbought level, so you can take trades with it also. You can see another one here, and then you can see another one right here. Okay, you can see here they are both on the overbought level, and then you can see that is at a support and resistance region right here. So don't say that because it broke through the line it is not valid anymore. As far as you are seeing it on this place that is at the overbought level, you can also go in, because all this place you are seeing right here, let me just bring out the tool and mark it out for you. All this place you are seeing right here is a zone. Okay, it's a support and resistance zone, so the reversal can happen anywhere within that zone. Okay, so don't be deceived. Okay, you can see that price is also still battling with this zone right here. It still went back and still start going down, and it still went in there again and still start going down. You can see that for yourself. Okay, so you can see it's a zone, so you don't need to be deceived. Okay, with the line you get better confirmation, and you can see that how price was going down, but as it still got to this zone, it starts battling with that support zone also again, and then you can see that it's spiked up. So with this support and resistance line I drew on the chart now, you have better confirmation and confidence, and you have an understanding of what you are doing in the market. Okay, so you can see that the strategy is good, it's very powerful. With it you can make a lot of money in a single day. Okay, so just test it out for yourself, and then you can go in with your real money. So that's it, guys. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to be stopping right here now. So for the zoom level, you're going to zoom out completely. Okay, you zoom out completely, you zoom in twice, you zoom in 1, 2. Let me zoom out again, zoom in 1 and 2. Okay, this is the zoom level. So that is that. Now for the settings, you're going to be clicking on this F icon right over here. Click on the F icon. The first indicator, you are going to add the fractal. Okay, you search and add the fractal. And then the second indicator right here, on our indicator window 1, we are going to search for the relative strength index. Okay, then after that, search for the relative strength index. These are the settings. Okay, these are the settings. The period is 1, apply to close. Under the style, we have 2 pixels. You are going to make the color of your background. Okay, and then under the levels, we have, these are the levels. Okay, 85 and the 15. Okay, make the color red, 3 pixels. Then you go back, then you click on done. Then after that, we have the Bollinger Band. Okay, you search and add the Bollinger Band under the relative strength index. Okay, so the period is 10. This is the deviation, and then the shift to have 0, apply to close. Under style, we have 3 pixels. You make the color blue or any color of your choice. Then after that, you click on done. That is that for the indicator window 1. So for you to add the indicator window 2, you are going to be clicking on this F icon again, the first F icon. Okay, so after you click on the first F icon, you search for the awesome oscillator. Okay, so after searching for the awesome oscillator, click on it. You're going to have something like this. Okay, you don't need to change anything. The only thing you're going to be changing is going to be this area here. Okay, change it to 4 pixels, the last one. Then after that, you click on done. Then you click on this F icon now to add the relative strength index. Okay, search and add the relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to close. Under the style, we have 2 pixels. Make the color it's just the same thing as the first relative strength index. Okay, you just need to like add everything the same as that one, and then you click on done. Okay, so that is that for our settings. Okay, so guys, if you get value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your time, I love you all. So this is the end of our video. Okay, this is the end. Silver out.